Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening up some new pieces from MEJURI. I believe we have 5 pieces to go through, and these videos are always my favorite to film because clearly I'm MEJURI obsessed. All of this jewelry that I've got on is pretty much from MEJURI, so I'll walk you through all the pieces that I'm wearing. I'll link them down below in the description box, as well as the new pieces that we're going to go through. If you guys are new to my channel, I am a MEJURI affiliate, so if you want 10% off of your order, you can use my link down below. And if you like these videos, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and let the brand know that you find these helpful. That really helps me out a ton. But we're gonna go ahead and get into this. I'm so excited for these pieces, you guys. You're gonna love them so much. I like to zoom you guys in so that you can actually see the pieces on. So I'm gonna start with what I'm wearing first before we get into the unboxing, because I know a lot of y'all are always wondering about the current stack that I'm wearing. So on my ears right here, I've got these pave U hoops. Then I've got on the bold diamond huggy earrings, I believe. I'm not so sure about every single name of jewelry at this point because I have so many of their pieces, but like I said, I'll just link them down below in the description box in the order that I talk about them. So if there's anything that you're wondering about, just check out the description box and it should be down there. I've got on the Charlotte thin hoops, I believe is what these are called. And then for my necklaces, I've got on the classic curb chain, this guy right here. Then I've got on this rope chain, which I think actually is no longer available, which makes me so sad because it's one of my favorites that they've ever put out. And then I've got on the serpentine chain, and then this is a little diamond pendant from Kay Jewelers. On my hand, I've got the soft Charlotte pave ring and the duo ring, which if you guys have been with my channel for the past couple of years, you've seen me wear this all the time. That's everything that I've got on this hand. I just have my wedding band and my engagement ring. We're gonna get into the new pieces. Guys, I am so obsessed with what MEJURI is doing right now. They have been doing so many amazing diamond pieces and also pearl pieces. If you guys have followed them on Instagram or seen on their website, they have released so many beautiful pearl pieces, and I think it's just so classic and stunning. First thing that I got actually came separate from the box, so we're gonna open this one up first. These are a pair of pearl earrings, and I think these are so unique. So these ones are vermeil and pearl, and they look like this. And they're actually just pearls on the front. So as you can see, it's just like a little huggy kind of clasp. And then you've got these 3 really pretty bold pearls here right in the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in so you guys can see what they look like, because I think they are just so beautiful. I actually have already worn them for another video, but I like put them back in the box to give you guys the full presentation. This is what they look like in. I think they would also be so beautiful worn on like a second or third piercing as well. So they're like a really beautiful size if you want to wear it and you only have 1 piercing. But then if you want to make your earring stack a little bit more bold, you could definitely throw it on your 3rd piercing, and it could add a lot of really great kind of texture to your stack. But I'm gonna throw this other one in. I think they're so pretty, so elegant. Now to get into the box here, we have got 4 pieces, I believe. There might be more, but I'm pretty sure there's only 4 in here that are relatively new to the MEJURI site. So if you've never seen how they're packaged, they come in a little bag like this, and then you open up the dust bag and you've got your boxes of jewelry. So this is what the box looks like. Inside of the box, you have a little dust bag for your jewelry with the MEJURI logo, and then you get a cleaning cloth and you get your jewelry. So in here we've got 2 little pearl earrings, and these ones are 14 karat gold with pave diamonds and pearl. So these ones are gonna be a little bit more expensive than the vermeil piece. They're so pretty. I hope you guys can see just how like delicate and dainty these are. I'm gonna pop these in, I think on my 3rd piercing, so you can see how you could layer them up. I'm really loving the pearl line that MEJURI's been putting out. I just think they're so classy, but they're doing like a very modern take on the pearl, which I think is really fun. I love how it adds different elements to your stack. If you don't really want to go the diamond route, you can definitely stack with pearls, or if you want a little bit of diamond and a little bit of pearl, these are so pretty. I really love these. These would also be beautiful just by themselves on a main piercing, but I really like it kind of stacked with these other 2. Okay, next up in the bag, we've got another little jewelry box. And in here, we have got these X hoops, I believe is what they're called. They're these tiny little gold hoops that cross over like that. They're so dainty, so I hope you guys can see, but they're just the most adorable little stud. So I'm actually gonna place these between the two pearls. So I'm gonna take out this little diamond hoop here. Look how pretty that is. I love that you can do so many different stacks and combinations with this jewelry. So, so pretty. We have another little bag here. In this one, we've got, this beautiful, beautiful ring. I am obsessed with this ring. I can't remember what it's called. So like I said, I'll link it down below. But it's this really chunky, bold ring with these two little diamonds in it. It's so stunning. So right now I've got on the soft Charlotte pave ring, but I think this one is so beautiful. I love how you get the diamonds, but it's not like all the way around. It's just really kind of like thick band. It's so unique. It's so cool. How stunning is that? Wow. And this is so much more beautiful in person than it is online. I love this so much. Got one more final box, and in this one we've got this beautiful necklace. I believe this is called the Charlotte necklace. It's so beautiful. So it is a like Charlotte ring on a chain. It's so pretty. It's this beautiful pendant, and then you get the 14 karat gold chain. So I'm gonna pop this one on. So this is the necklace, and I've got it on the longest setting. It has 3 different length settings, and this is kind of where it hits against the serpentine chain and the curved chain necklace. I really hope they bring back this rope chain, but you can get a feel for how long it is. I think this is so beautiful. Plus I wear so many of the Charlotte pieces that it's kind of fun to have a matching necklace now if I wear the earrings or the ring. I think it looks so good with this stack, and it's 14 karat gold, so you don't have to take it off, which is really nice as well. But that's everything from this MEJURI haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I mentioned before, everything will be linked down below in the description box if you want to check it out, as well as my discount link. If you like this video though, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let MEJURI know that you love this video. Also let me know if you end up trying anything out or grabbing anything from MEJURI. If you are jewelry obsessed like I am, I have an entire playlist down below that I'll link. You can check out all of my MEJURI reviews. And if you are new here and you want to stick around for some more videos, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one very soon. Bye y'all.